Okay, I guess it's time to eat something. I just stopped, so I'm gonna have some hot soup. Yeah, let's get ready to. I got the stove right here. Okay. Okay, so I guess now we'll need something to put the soup. What is the soup though? This is the soup. This is homemade soup. Not any kind of soup, but it's homemade. Okay. Now, I'll wash this later. And I will need some. Okay, so let's fire this up. Like this. I have to put this on top to make it cook faster. Okay, like this. We need some bread. Where's the bread though? I know I have some bread somewhere. This is the bread? Yeah. Yes, so. Okay. Alright. And now let's wait for the soup to get hot and meanwhile I'm gonna cut the bread like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, I'm gonna use this as the table. I got my plate right here, and I'm gonna put the plate here. Okay, like this. Now I need the spoon ready and a little bit of salt. And I guess we wait. It's ready. Yes, look at that steam. It's perfect. For this weather, I think, who doesn't want a hot soup? Because I do. Okay. I'm gonna wash this later. And now let's eat. Got my salt here. Put some salt. Okay. Bread. Okay, so I guess now that I have got, oh my god, look at this. Now I guess it's time to half an hour, 15 minutes left. Yes, 15 minutes. Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit, and then I'm gonna keep going.